I've been wrenching on BMWs for 17 years, and not all BMW engines are created equal. Some will run forever. Others, BMW had some creative years, ranking BMW engines from financial nightmare to bulletproof legend. Let's go. Look, I love BMWs. 17 years of my life on lifts, under hoods, chasing oil leaks. But buying a used BMW without knowing which engine you're getting, you might as well light your money on fire. Faster and, honestly, less stressful. Worst to best. Here we go. Number 7. The N63. 2008 to early 2016 550i, 650i, X5, X6. This engine didn't just hurt BMW's reputation, it paid my shop's rent. Hot V turbo layout. Turbos sitting inside the engine valley, because heat management is optional, apparently. Valve stem seals fail, injectors fail, high-pressure fuel pumps fail, timing components stretch, oil cooks, everything bakes. BMW didn't recall it, they issued a customer care package. That tells you everything. Major repairs at 60 to 80,000 miles were common, $7,000 to $15,000 bills, sometimes more. If you want luxury stress, buy an N63. Otherwise, run. Number 6. The N54. Power monster. Stock 300 horsepower, real dynos say more. Tune it, 400 plus easy. And that's exactly the problem. High-pressure fuel pumps fail, injectors leak, wastegates rattle, turbos wear, electric water pumps die, valve cover leaks so bad you smell oil before you see it. 2007 to 2010 335i, 135i, Z4. Fast, fun, not reliable. If you love wrenching, great. If not, my shop thanks you. Number 5. The N20. BMW's early Turbo 4 experiment. 2012 to early 2015 328i, 428i, X3. On paper, efficient, torquey. In reality, timing chain failures. Not wear, failure. Plastic guides break, chain jumps, valves meet pistons. BMW did not issue a recall. They quietly updated the design after engines started dying. If it hasn't been updated, $5,000 to $8,000 repair if you're lucky. Ask for proof or walk. Number 4. The M62 V8. Late 90s to early 2000s. E38 7 Series, E39 540i. Smooth, powerful, sounds incredible. But maintenance matters. Cooling systems are fragile. Valley pan gaskets leak. Timing chain guides wear with age. Nikasil issues, mostly early production in bad fuel regions. Later engines were better, but neglect kills them fast. Maintain it properly? Respectable for a BMW V8. Number 3. The N52 Naturally Aspirated Inline 6. Now we're talking. The N52. Mid-2000s to early 2010s. BMW's last truly reliable naturally aspirated 6. No turbos, no direct injection headaches, just smooth power. Magnesium aluminum block, Vanos done right. Yes, valve cover gaskets leak, oil filter housings seep, water pumps are wear items. But compared to N54 or N63, dream engine. Change oil every 5K, keep cooling healthy. 200,000 miles is normal, one of the most reliable BMW engines ever made. Number 2. The S62 E39 M5. 4.9-liter naturally aspirated V8. Individual throttle bodies, 7,000 RPM, 400 horsepower. No turbos, no shortcuts. Reliability? Good for a high-performance M engine. Vanos needs attention. Rod bearings need preventative service. Cooling must be perfect. It's not cheap, but it's honest. One of the greatest BMW engines ever made. Number 1. The M20 and M30 inline 6s. The legends. 1970s and 1980s BMW. Cast iron blocks, simple fuel injection, mechanical honesty. M20 in the E30 325i, M30 in the E28 535i, E24 6 Series. No fancy electronics, no turbo heat, just overbuilt German engineering. I've personally seen these engines pass 300,000 miles. Change oil, do timing belts, keep cooling healthy. They outlive owners. Cheap parts, easy to work on. They just keep going. This is why people fell in love with BMW. There it is. N63 disasters to old-school legends. BMW built brilliance and mistakes. Shopping used BMW? Know your engine. Reliability isn't the badge, it's what's under the hood. Maintain anything poorly, it will punish you. Maintain the right engine? You'll love it. That's the ultimate driving machine, done right.